We'll see how this goes. We're cleaning up the house and going through everything. Got this Panasonic LCD projector from 2005. I just so nobody freaks out on me, I already checked eBay. None have been selling of this model, and I believe the last one that sold was $6 without a remote. This doesn't have a remote, and it's missing one of the legs, like so that you can adjust the height. And it didn't have cords or anything, so. But anyways, I figured, well, I might as well scrap this because I haven't done a video yet this week. So let's get to this. Okay. Oh, it's the projector bulb. Okay. Oh, I see the whole thing. Comes off. So we got a tiny little circuit board there. And then this is plastic. Use that to throw garbage in. So yeah, I got nothing too special there. Okay. Meanwhile, what's that? Oh, this could all stop if everybody just likes, comments, and subscribes. Okay, well, I'll tell them. Maybe they like this noise. Maybe it's an ASMR thing. No? Okay. That's weird. So we got a couple of gold cornered BGAs here. I'm just trying to get this board unhooked. So these are not screws. This is soldered down. I'm going to have to, I guess, kind of, I don't know. That's weird. Oh. Oh, there we go. So on the back of that, got a whole bunch more chips. I'm guessing that's a high peripheral board. You know, I'm no expert in that, but we'll get that all cleaned up. That's aluminum. Hi, Banks. Hi. What are you? Okay, come on. No, come on. Oh, Banks, go. Okay, thank you. This has to be part of everything. Hi. No, you can go play. It's a beautiful warm day. Oh. Okay, go on, go. Please. Please. Okay. So let's get all these screws out. I guess I'm not going to be able to take all the screws out because I don't have all my tools. I'm just sitting in my pajamas out on the deck. these. Oh, I see. Plastic. Oh, neat. I'm not familiar with a lot of optics, but I do think a lot of the lenses and stuff are neat that you get out of projectors. Okay. I guess I should be using a well, this is not going too well. I need a longer bit, I suppose, or I could lengthen this a bit. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, this won't stay in. I guess I could go in and grab a screwdriver, but for some reason the dogs feel the need to fight right there. Alright, so there is okay, here we go. Like they honestly like, hey, quit it. Please, like, I shouldn't even let you come outside. Oh, there's a little lens there. Oh, a few lenses. Huh. I always save all the lenses that I get out of this type of thing because I just figure that someday I might be making a moon laser or something and I'll need them. You know, moon lasers. When you need a lens for them. Ah. Oh, it's a speaker. Yeah.
Glad you're not out here talking to yourself.
I'm not.
So you say. Maybe that camera's just an excuse to talk to yourself.
It is. This will probably never make it to air.
Wow. Not with that attitude, it won't. A trash can, not a trash cannot.
That's right. Thank you. More aluminum. really surprised to see how many lenses, and that's sharp. Oh, I see. Oh, isn't that neat? Huh. And that's aluminum. Hi, bud. Yeah, it's, I don't know. I don't know how windy it is on this video. I'll have to see after, but we're having a Chinook right now, so I can't get that one out. But anyways, we've also got this power board in here, and there's a bunch of stuff under this one. Try to, let's see. Okay, so we got more garbage, screws. So yeah, a little power board, a little bit of copper on there, aluminum, little transformer there. Now maybe we can get into this one. Oh, okay. So this board, I guess it's kind of a power board too, maybe, because the power's coming right out from the 110. But yeah, there's chips on there, but I can't imagine that's worth much. Low peripheral maybe. Then I gotta get this board off of here. Okay, so get that little power board there too. And then I don't really know. These are like a motor maybe. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll have a look at that. But there's one on either side. I don't know what you'd need motors for on a digital projector. It's not like slides. But yeah, anyhow, that's what we get out of this thing. Lenses. That's got the same NMB MAT as the motors here. So maybe these are some sort of fan motor, but I don't see where air comes in or out. But yeah, I don't have all the tools. I just thought I hadn't had it put a video out this week. That's like some sort of aluminum tape. But yeah, I hadn't had a video out this week, so I just figured I would tear this thing down. So we got a little fan there and a bigger fan. Looks like, yeah, there's another little fan in here. Tiny fan. But yeah, these I guess they were a portable projector and just kind of obsolete now. 2005 things were a lot different than they are now. Anyhow, I know, I guess it's that way. All right, back inside. Oh, I got it. We're making our way back to the car. He doesn't have to run too hard for it. But he'll grab it as soon as she drops it. This is when I know it's the end of the day when he wants to play ball. He's done all of his exploring. Oh, you're doing all right, buddy.